Hi, Tom with Patio Pleasures here. We're standing by the Marquis Crown Resort and we're talking a little bit about water level in a hot tub. So most hot tubs are all going to be the same or similar as far as the water depth, but why we're talking about that is it's really important to the spa's operation, not only for filtering and sanitation and heating, but also for your enjoyment and just so that when you go out to use it every time that you're going to get the best experience out of your hot tub. So with this spa here, you can see it's just a little bit below the headrest and all the jets are covered. But the most important thing is we're going to look at the filter bucket area, because this is where the spa sucks in the water to get to the pump. And so if the water was too low at this point, it would start to suck in air and it would purge and it could possibly not heat. It wouldn't be giving you the best sanitization or filtration. And then when you go out to use it, it's not going to be as enjoyable as if the water level is up to the normal height. So with a Marquis, they all use the Vortex skimmer. And so you'll have a skimmer that looks like this with the fins. And you always want to be about at least two-thirds of the way up that fin. You can see this one's a little bit high. We keep them a little bit higher in the showroom just because we don't cover them all day and you have some evaporation. But even if this one was at your house, this would be a great level for it to be at. You could accommodate, you could get 4 or 5 people in here and the water level would still be good. That's the other thing is you don't want to fill it too high, because then when you add bodies to it, it could overflow and you could have a mess that way. But more importantly is just skimming off the surface of the water. If the water level is too high, you're not going to get the skimmer's not going to work the correct way. It's just going to suck from the bottom and not so much from the top. So water level is really important as far as heating, sanitization, and then just the enjoyment of that.